Hi guys, hello, it's your girl Bianca here, and I am back on YouTube for just un momento. Just for a second. I know I've been gone for too long, but I just wanted to do a little unboxing video of a couple of things that I got off of some people of WhatNot, and talk to you guys and kind of update you about what's been going on with me lately. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the first one. This is from Shannon 77. So I'll hey, what I do with my scissors? What I do with my scissors? In my pocket. They're in my pocket, guys. Hold on. Kids, don't ever put scissors in your pockets. It's dangerous. Dangerous. Okay, so like I said, this is from Shannon. I've been tuning into her WhatNot lives a lot lately. Super cool chick, super cool vibes, and yeah, man, I just love it. I love it. So let's see what we got here. I kind of got this little like a bundle of stuff. Oh yeah, so I got this super dope Fantastic Beasts tee. I recently just watched the whole series of Harry Potter. I know you're like, what? Scrap, you just now watching Harry Potter? I know, just now seen it. And guys, it is so good. I'm actually really happy I waited till I was older, because I actually could pay attention and see what was going on. So I saw Harry Potter, and I just finished the Fantastic Beasts a little franchise. So good, but I did miss Johnny Depp. Really missed him. Next one is this. What is this? Gregor's Games. Looks like it's some type of gaming tee. Super cool. I love the colorway on this. Like I said, it was kind of like a bundle type of deal. I really want that Fantastic Beasts tee, and it came with a gamer shirt. Let's see. This is another package from her, from Shannon. So let's see what we got here. Another bundle type of situation. Oh yeah, I wanted that tee. So this is what? Oh, Seattle, Washington. Super cool. Love the colorway on that one. And I got this bundle for this tee right here. This super cool Miami Heat ringer. Really cool. It says 1988 on it. Really soft on the NBA tag. So super cool. Just kind of like your basic tees pickup. But shout out to Shannon. Sfama77. Follow her on the WhatNot. All right, so yeah, man, like I said, I've been gone for too long, but I am back. I'm kind of in the WhatNot space. I've done a live, but I've kind of honestly been really nervous to do more lives, because I don't know, man, I've been in this this weird space of not wanting to just sell stuff just to be selling it. I actually want to sell and make a profit off of it. So I'm trying to collect pieces that I know will go, instead of just doing little graphic tees here and there. So just trying to find my footing with everything with WhatNot. So this is from Retro Hungry, and it's actually from Manny, Retro Hungry's friend. So this is from his collection. Got this super dope modern Dennis Rodman tee. I love this because it has his color hair on it, and it is, like I said, modern on a Mitchell Lennes printed tag. But I love this tee. Had to grab it. I'm trying not for it to be a personal, but I don't know. We'll see, guys. We'll see. So yeah, man. Besides WhatNot, I've been doing a bunch of events. Like this first half of the year, I did so many events, and I'm really proud of myself. For the fall winter tour of my events, it went really well. I say part 2 because I'm taking a little break right now, and I'm getting some more dates set up soon to go into November and December. So I've been doing a lot of events. You can check out my last YouTube, which was a last YouTube video, is a white tag vintage market from my boy Ike. What's up, Ike? And what we did is I took video of what people were wearing at the event. Okay, so the title is like what people are wearing in Memphis. You can watch that bad boy right here after you watch this video. It's a really good one. If you're just looking to see what the city of Memphis, like people are wearing in the city of Memphis, you really love that video. Okay, so this next one is from Saint Kicks. Shout out to the guys over there. I tune in to just about like all of their lives. I think they run like a dude runs a store. So he like does WhatNot out of his store. So yeah, man, this is an actual, oh man, this is so personal. This is a tee that I want to say they supplemented in their shop. So you have Virgil on the pockets. It is a Comfort Colors tag right here, and here is the back. Oh, I love it so much. If you know me, or if you don't know me, I love Virgil Abloh. RIP the great. So this is definitely going to be a personal for your girl. Super excited to rock this. RIP Virgil. Yeah, man, so the next thing that I got from Saint Kicks is this Grateful Dead t-shirt. What? It is a modern boot, semi-modern. It is on this Gildan tag, so I'll probably say probably mid 2000s. Oh shoot, it has the date on the back. It's actually 2001. I'll show you guys the back. Here's the back on this bad boy. Just a really cool Grateful Dead t-shirt. This is actually the first one that I've ever owned, so I'm super psyched about this one. I'm trying to think if I should just like fold it up and put it in my like future tote for like future vintage stuff, or go ahead and give it or sell it to the right person. Not sure yet, but it is a size extra large. If you see something you like in this video, shoot me a DM on Instagram, TTA_vintage, bam, and ask me for pricing, ask me for information, and we'll do the dang thing. I also have a website for my personal clothing brand, and I have a couple vintage items on there as well. That is thinkingthoughts-art.com. So click the link below and shop with your girl, because I have a lot of like fall winter stuff on there, from flannels. Think I may have like a crew neck or hoodie or two on there as well. So check out my website if you want to rock with the brand, TTA, bam. So little side tangent, and then I have 2 more packages to open up. This necklace right here, this TTA necklace, I've been working on this for a while. It is the new logo in stainless steel, silver, and stainless steel, or I think it's in sterling silver. Hey guys, it's Future Bianca, and it is most definitely sterling silver, okay? It's 925 sterling silver, pre-order coming soon. Yeah, baby. I have this one, and I just got in a gold sample, and I gave that to my cousin Khalid because he wanted a gold. So what I'm thinking about doing is actually doing a pre-order on these necklaces. So stay tuned for that. Tune in to my Instagram, follow me. Like I said, it is TTA_vintage if you like my vintage stuff, and if you like my personal clothing brand with necklaces like this, and my slogan, Wake and Thanking, which means to wake up and be thankful for another day. Follow at Thinking Thoughts Art. Okay, I know it's a mouthful, but like I said, I haven't talked to you guys, I haven't seen you in a while, so just trying to give you an update on what's going on with me and what all I've got going on. I'm super excited stuff. Just super excited, guys. I got some good stuff on the way. Got some good stuff on the way. Okay, so this is from an Anthony. I don't have their or WhatNot name on here, so let me see. Okay, this is Vintage Predator on WhatNot. vintage Predator on WhatNot. Got this, this super dope Hey Arnold t-shirt from, what is it, Junk Food? Hey Arnold. And this is a white tee. It may have like a couple of stains on it, but no fear, scrap is here. I am actually going to tie-dye this bad boy and bring it back to life and then sell it to you guys to give it a second life. Okay, so this is from 2014 Hey Arnold tee. When I saw it, I had to get it because I knew that I could flip it and give it a new life. So Hey Arnold tee. And then I have the, oh shoot, what's this? Oh yeah, super dope. The Harley Davidson Bourbon Street tee. Nolans. Super sick. Love that back hit, and the front hit is nuts with this pig on it. Here is the here's the tag on this bad boy. Harley Davidson. Like I said, if you're interested in anything that you see, ooh, that's a thumbnail. Wait, let's do the back. Awesome. If you're interested in anything you see in the video, hit me up on Instagram. Shoot me a DM, and then I'll get back to you. So the last package we're gonna unbox is from a Johnny. I want to say this is Powerline Vintage. Dang, I just put that whole main last name out there like that. My bad, Johnny. This is from Johnny from Powerline Vintage. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Oh yeah, I knows what these is. I can remember these. So we got two very, very sick NASCAR tees. Super dope. Love this. Just vibrant, colorful front graphic. This is from Kentucky Speedway. Also has a back hit to it. History starts now, Kentucky Speedway. Super freaking sick, man. I love the colors on this. And this is from 2011. Super sick NASCAR tee. This is a size large. And then to wrap things up, we have that 24 Jeff Gordon. Like the homie Paul Cantu says, Jeff Gordon gray t-shirt. Got that nice front hit, titty, what do they call it, a titty hit? on the pocket. And then the 24 Jeff Gordon car on the back, and it is on the Chase Authentics tag. Okay, so super freaking dope way to wrap up this unboxing. Yeah, man, so that is my little unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. TTA, like I said, I do have some events coming up. I'm going to try to do a WhatNot soon. I keep pushing a date back. I'm sorry, and I apologize to the folks that actually like really want me to do WhatNot, but I'm supposed to be going to the Benz this weekend, and hopefully you're watching this before Monday because I usually go live on Mondays. I'm gonna try my best to sit my anxiety to the side and go ahead and just do a WhatNot on this upcoming Monday. So follow me on there. It is TTA_vintage, just like my Instagram. And yeah, man, and bookmark my future WhatNots. Tune in to my Instagram, TTA_vintage and Thinking Thoughts Art. Watch my stories on Thinking Thoughts Art, okay? If you are a thinker, you down with TTA, you're a supporter, or if you're new and you just want to see more content from me, watch my stories on Thinking Thoughts Art. I'm about to do this collection called Fun Thoughts, and I'm super excited about it. And I put behind the scenes footage of me making everything on my story on Thinking Thoughts Art. So follow that Instagram if you want to see more. I want to say that is it for me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me. And I thought I had one more. I was like, wait a minute. Thank you guys for rocking with me, for watching this video. Stay tuned because I got big things coming up. I love you guys. And that's going to be it for me. I'm out.
But life is so short that you can't waste even a day subscribing to what someone thinks you can do versus knowing what you can do.